Headed out of Kentucky this morning on my way to Cross Plains, Tennessee. I bought some Z06 Corvette wheels from a guy in the spring, and he's been so patient and kind to hold them for me. I'm going to go pick up those today, but the beautiful thing is between here and there, it is nothing but back roads. So we're going to find some stuff today. I'm glad you're here for this journey, this adventure, this thing. There will be some among you who know exactly where I am. I'm at the Mecca of all that is Corvette. Right across from Art's Corvette Center or something like that. He sells muscle cars and trucks and stuff like that. We'll check that out in a second, but we're home. We're in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm just gonna put this truck and trailer somewhere, maybe go inside there. They're doing a show though. Maybe I won't be able to get in there, maybe I will. You kind of have to stop at the Corvette Museum whenever you're in town. I mean, it's in my DNA actually. C7 ZR1. The bad boy right there. These are all the people who donated money to get the Corvette Museum going. These are actually a little later on the donations. The first ones are right up by the front door there. And as always, you can win a Corvette here. They're always doing that.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Doing well, you all right?
Very good.
I could win that. I'd be okay with that. They do this all the time. This is kind of a cool place because, oh, driving simulators in a C8 or a C7. Yeah. The museum's right back in there. They have guided tours and all that. One cool aspect of this area right in front of us is that these are cars that have been bought, paid for, and they are, well, you can win that one right there, it says, but a lot of these up here, people come to the museum just to pick them up because you can have museum delivery. Matter of fact, if you look down that hallway, you drive the car straight down through there, and you'll see right before you go out, it has a Corvette there, and it says enjoy the ride. Right outside they take a couple pictures, and you either put it on the trailer or take off and go down the road. I can't drive 55, it goes on the audio system. Let's go in here and look around, see if there's anything we can't live without. Somebody's picking one up. The red one over there. They just got their new car. They give you a big escort out of here, but that's the first time it's been started by the owner, unless he opted to start it. You, for several years, have been able to be there at the marriage of the body and the chassis. Taking it out the door. Shivers. This is like hitting the salt at Bonneville for the first time.
Well, there's a mirror to the on the right hand side.
On the other side of those doors, that's the end of the Corvette tour through the museum. This is the kind of the end of the tour, and it's not just Corvette stuff in there. There's a lot of different stuff. Just in the time I've been here, there's another delivery happening. Little white one down there. This is a cool setup. They have a restaurant in here, a Stingray grill, museum delivery. That's what this whole thing is about. He's in there firing it up for the first time. That's got to be just a spectacular moment, you know. Carbon brakes. Z06. I drove one of those a couple of weeks ago, and I've almost stopped giggling from the experience. It's a bad dude. They just kind of show you at the last moment the stuff you need to know before you get out on the road. I definitely, if you're in this area, recommend going through that museum because it's just fantastic. Some of you may not know, but right across the street is the National Corvette Museum racetrack, and it's a bad dude. You can take any car on there. You can get out on there just by yourself, or you can bring your car club or whatever. I've had 24 of these things over the years. If you are a Corvette person, this is a truly special place and a great place to go if you just want to worship the mark, the icon. We got to get back in the truck though. Let's make some miles. Quick run through the parking lot of Arts Auto Mart. Phone number is 270-843-0001. This is the kind of stuff they have. Just think anything that a gearhead's going to be into. Generally GM, but there's also Ford. I see a 55 Ford inside there, 64 Fury, 69 Camaro in war bonnet yellow. There's a really clean second gen Camaro Z28. There's a little gift shop in there too. There's actually, I think they, when I came here a year or two ago, they actually charged admission to go back and look at the cars. And I thought, wait, you're selling me cars and you're charging me to look at them. Okay. There's cool cars in there though, if you're looking for that kind of thing. Oh, okay. Well, I come up this way about every 2 months.
Okay.
I do this because I will absolutely forget what the hell it even looks like. Those of you who have been watching my videos for a while now, God love you. Secondarily, you know that I'm a big fan of cars on sticks. Most of them, I mean, you've seen anything from a Saab to a Viper, but this one, an early Mustang ragtop, that's pretty cool. It's at C10 Motor Company, like C10 the truck, and I guess that's what they do, because let's look back in there. Look at all those trucks back in there. I'm in Springfield, Tennessee. It's kind of weird that they have a Mustang on a stick though. 3366 Highway 41 South 37172. Paint and body restoration. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever run across one like that. Wait till you see what's on this lot just right down the road, like a half mile from where we were. I got to get out though. My buddy just bought a crazy low mile 72 Impala over last weekend, and now I come up on this lot that has nothing but those. Highway 41 South Motorplex. That's all he has here. Caprice there. That looks very similar to what he got. That's close to a 72, but that's a Caprice instead of an Impala. Oh, he does have other stuff. But what? Early Monte Carlo. Another Caprice. Wow, who would have... Oh, there you go. El Dorado. Tennessee Senate. Owned by a senator, I guess. And of course, back there we have a pretty minty pickup truck. The bottom of it looks really good down low. What? What a cool group of cars on this lot. Okay, I dig this. I dig this so bad. Nothing but Caprices and Pimpalas, yo. That one's a Landau over there that had the half vinyl top. Let's get back out on the road. We are officially running out of daylight, people. I'm almost to Birmingham, Alabama. The reason I'm going there is because a couple of years ago, I stopped at this one particular place. He's got probably 30 cars of all different types. He's always buying and selling, but he also has mini bikes, motorcycles, really cool old stuff. I'd say anything from like 60 Chevys on all the way back to like 20s cars. He had some wild car from the 20s last time I was there. I'd never even heard of the brand. But for those of you who are wondering what happened about the deal in Kentucky yesterday, where I had to buy like all the cars or none, walked away from it. It just didn't seem to have enough potential for profit built in, because by the time I would have moved all the inexpensive cars, I just would not have had much of a profit ratio at all. That's the end of the video for today, unless something fantastic happens. It's probably the end, but I'll see you bright and early in the morning, because this place you will want to see tomorrow. I picked up the sweetest little Honda Mini Trail 50 there last time. Just the sweetest thing I ever had. One of those as a kid. So we might find something spectacular tomorrow, because this guy, he had a Dukes of Hazzard 69 Charger there last time. It's that kind of place. See you in the morning, guys. Thank you for watching today.